Hi there everybody, it's UK independent Stampin' Up demonstrator Helzie here from slimandstylish.stampinup.net. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today I'm playing with Hydrangea Haven to create a quick and simple card in 5 minutes. So let's get started. I have been using this little detail here, which is just stunning and gorgeous, and I have just picked out any sentiment for the middle, but I picked To an Incredible Woman because I just love that sentiment. I've also decided to blend this instead of using the on top colour. So what you can do, stamp this in Memento, pick the colour you like and stamp over the top with the coordinating sort of shimmer piece, and it will colour the background for you. I've decided to use blends because I'm a blends girl, and it was quick and easy and simple to do. So let me show you. First of all, you want a piece of base cardstock that's 10.5 centimetres by 14.8. So this is going to be the exact same size as the card, so you're not going to have any frame. Okay, and then you want your Memento ink because we are going to be using blends. You want your detailed piece, which for me was these, no, it's not those flowers, it's these ones. I've got them all on blocks. I just picked those ones up. I was going to use those and go around in a circle, but then I decided that this just framed it a lot nicer. So what you want to do is stamp it in your Memento and stamp it down. Doing the bottom one first, you can then see if you've got the framing right on the card. So then you can pop your sentiment in the gap. And then you can put your top piece on. Being photopolymer, you can see straight through to check that you've left the same line at the top and as the bottom, and you've got the detailing right. Okay, so lid on, and the two colours I've used, I haven't gone dark and light, I've just gone for two different colours. I've used light Bermuda Bay and I have used light soft succulent. So I've used the soft succulent for all of the little leaf details, which is just really quick and easy to whiz around here and do. I'm not being neat. If it goes outside the line, it doesn't bother me. It is just giving me a shading on there. So, really quick and simple, these cards are really easy, but I have been looking at the cards I've been doing on my 5-minute sets, and actually I think they're just as beautiful as when I sit here and take like 30 minutes to do a card. So I've been quite enjoying them. So then I've just used the light Bermuda Bay bullet tip to just do these little flower details. You could use any colours. I use Bermuda Bay because it is one of my favourites, and I just think it pops. But if you wanted to have more of a contrast from the actual soft succulent leaves you put in, you could use a bright pink or something, or then you could step the leaves up. So you could do the leaves in some like granny apple green, so they stood out a lot more. Used a mellow mambo or a polished pink and really pop the flowers out. That would look quite nice. Or you could go in for the subtles and you could do like a nice fresh freesia sort of light colour. Really up to you, but I love Bermuda Bay and I don't use it enough. You know, people ask me what my favourite colours are. And if you went on the colours I use on my card, you'd always think, oh, she likes fresh freesia, she likes So Saffron, she likes using the grey granite and the pool party. They're sort of her colours, the pastel colours. But actually, my favourite colour is Bermuda Bay. I just struggle to sometimes find time and places to use it with the other colours. So when I come to a card like this, where I can just use one blend to create a cool effect, Bermuda Bay's in. It's just such a beautiful, vibrant colour. Right. Keep going around, colouring it in. You know, this probably would have been a card in 1 minute if I'd have used that infill and just stamped my Bermuda Bay ink over it. But I don't think it would have given the same effect because I like having this little white bit in the middle rather than having just a block colour over the top. And because I'm not doing the whole card, it's fine by me to do these little hydrangea flowers with my blend. There we go. So it was a bit of blending, but it was still really simple and really quick. So I'm just going to fold my card, burnish it, use my seal to stick this on flush onto the background. And then just to finish it off, I'm going to add some embellishments onto the actual card. So I am using the classic matte dots, and I'm just using 3 of this sort of gorgeous grey colour to add some detail on. And there are my card, using the Hydrangea Haven photopolymer stamp set. This is available on my website, as are the coordinating dies. Everything I've used today is available slimandstylish.stampingup.net. As always, if you're placing an order with me through my website, please use my host code. You can find it on my Instagram page. I have a new one every month, so do check you've got the most recent one. My Instagram is @slimandstylish. If you pop that into your basket, you get a little gift from me as a thank you from ordering. I hope to see you all again soon. Have an absolutely lovely day. Bye. I hope you've enjoyed today's project. All items that I have used on this video are available to purchase from my store, www.slimandstylish.stampingup.net. Alternatively, if you would like a copy of our catalogues, please send me an email to slimandstylish@live.co.uk or leave me a comment below and I'll get in touch with you. I upload regular content to this channel, so if you do enjoy watching my tutorials, please make sure that you have subscribed and rang the bell to get notifications when new videos go live. Thank you for joining me and have a lovely day.